Question number B, 2 upon 3 multiply 4 upon 5. I have noted down the question here. See, I told you in the previous clip that numerator should be divisible with the denominator. This denominator or this denominator, any one. Okay. But if you will notice here, 2 is not divisible with 3 nor it is divisible with 5. Both the denominators, 2 is not divisible. When you will check, 4 is also not divisible in 3 nor it is divisible in 5. So none of the numbers are divisible. But if you will notice, this 2 and this 4, they both are divisible. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. But can we divide these two? Keep in mind, we cannot divide the two numerators. Okay, 2 and 4 cannot be divisible because both the given numbers of fraction are in numerator place. If this 4 would have been in denominator, then we would have divided 2 and 4. But now it is in numerator, na? Then we will not divide. Keep in mind, numerator and numerator is not divisible. Denominator and denominator is not divisible. Only we can divide numerator with denominator and denominator with numerator, like that. Okay, so here nothing is divisible. Directly we can multiply. 2 4s are 8, 3 5s are 15. So 8 upon 15 will be your answer. Moving forward with question number C. You can do it on your own. I'll explain it here itself. 3 is this divisible with 7? No, because both are prime numbers. 3 you will check with 11 also. So is this 3 divisible with 11? That is also no, because both are prime numbers again. Once we will check this 6 with 7, not divisible, and 6 with 11 also not divisible. Same as B, na? So we can simply multiply. 3 6s are 18, 7 11s are 77. Got it? Then moving ahead with question number D, I'll solve it for you. 5 upon 9 into 12 upon 15. Here is the question. We have to check the numbers are divisible or not. First we will see 5 and 9 not divisible, but 5 and 15 are divisible in the table of 5. So 5 1s are 5 and 5 3s are 15. Both should be divisible in the same table. This is very important. Okay, then we have 12 and 9. So they both are also divisible in the table of 3, right? So 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9. 9 and 12, both the numbers are coming in the table of 3. So we will divide like this. Now nothing is divisible. We will multiply. 1 4s are 4 and 3 3s are 9 is your answer. D is done. Then E, 11 upon 12 into 8 upon 13. Yes. So if you will notice here, this 8 and 12 are divisible. 4 2s are 8 and 4 3s are 12. 8 and 12 both are divisible in the table of 4 2 and 3 times. Okay, and 11 and 13 are not divisible and no other number is divisible. So simply we will multiply now. 11 2s are 22 and 13 3s are 39. 22 upon 39 is your answer for question number E. Is done now. Then question number F. You do it on your own. Divide like this. 2 1s are 2, 8s are 16 and so on. Follow the steps and solve. Then question number G, I will solve for you. 11 upon 15 into 5 upon 22. Okay, pay attention. So 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15. Okay, 11 1s are 11, 11 2s are 22. Simple it is, right? Only we need practice. If you will practice more and more now, you will be very well able to solve the sums perfectly. 1 1s are 1, 3 2s are 6. The more you will practice, the more you will get perfect in solutions. H. 6 upon 21 into 3. Now if you will notice this question, here first side we have numerator and denominator both, right? But in the other side we have only numerator. So when we have only numerator, what do? We will make that particular one number here, and in denominator place we will write 1. I told you this in previous chapter also. Whichever side we have only one number, that one number is shifted in the numerator, and in the denominator place we make 1. Got it? Now we will divide. How to divide? 3 ones are 3, 3 sevens are 21. Okay, now nothing is divisible, so 6 ones are 6 and 7 ones are 7. H is also done. Then I and J. I will solve, then J you can do on your own. Okay, I 6 upon 24 into 32 upon 18. This is your question. So how to solve? 6 and 24 are also divisible. So 6 ones are 6, 6 fours are 24. 6 ones are 6 and 4s are 24. Now we will check 32 and 4 and 18. So 4 ones are 4. Don't think that once the number is divided, that cannot be divided again and again. If it is possible with any other number, it is divisible. So 4 ones are 4, 4 eights are 32. Got it? Now we have this 8 and 18. They both are also divisible. 2 fours are 8, 2 nines are 18. We will reduce as many times as it is possible. Now it is not reducible. So 1 fours are 4 and 1 nines are 9. Like this we will solve. I is also done here.